Are you tired of laggy indicators that get you into the trend way too late? Welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. Today, I am pulling back the curtain on what I call my hero setup, the Schaff Cycle Lock. Some traders call this the cycle detector because of how incredibly precise it is. It uses a highly professional, tech-heavy hybrid of the Max-ED and the stochastic oscillator that moves in very distinct, clean, square waves. It cuts out the noise completely, and it tells us exactly when a cycle is bottoming out or peaking. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up this algorithm strategy for 1-minute expiry trades on pocket option. Make sure you stick around until the end, because the way we use our second indicator to confirm the entry is the absolute key to making this work. Before we jump into the charts, please remember that trading always involves risk. This strategy is for educational purposes only, so never trade money you can't afford to lose. All right, let's get our chart dialed in. This setup is built for speed and precision. First, change your chart type to standard Japanese candlesticks and set your candle time frame to exactly 15 seconds. Next, make sure your trade expiry time is locked in at 1 minute. Now, let's load up the engine of this strategy. Go to your indicators and add the Schaff Trend Cycle, or STC. We are leaving this entirely on the default settings, cycle at 10, short at 23, and long at 50. Notice how smooth it looks on the chart. It's much faster than a traditional Mac-ED. But we never trade on the STC alone. To confirm the actual trend direction, add the Vortex indicator to your chart and set the period to 14. Here is exactly how the cycle detector algorithm works. When we are looking for a buy setup, we want to watch that STC line very closely. First, we need to see the line resting flat at the 0 level, which is our oversold zone. Once it breaks out of that flat zone and pushes up past the 75 level, immediately look down at your Vortex indicator. At that exact moment, the green Vortex line must be crossing above the red line. When both of those conditions line up perfectly, that is your signal to enter a 1-minute buy trade. For a sell position, we simply flip that logic. You are going to wait for the STC line to rest completely flat at the 100 level or the overbought zone. The moment it drops down and breaks through the 25 level, check your Vortex again. This time, the red Vortex line must be sitting above the green line to confirm that downward momentum. Once you have that confirmation, you execute your 1-minute sell trade. It really is that mechanical. We wait for the cycle to hit the floor or the ceiling, and we let the Vortex confirm the momentum before making a move. To help you remember these exact rules while you practice, I've actually created a free step-by-step checklist PDF for you over in my Telegram channel. You can find that link right in the description below. Now, let's watch some raw live trades so you can see exactly how I filter these signals in real time. Let's break down this live buy setup. The market was pushing down, but I waited patiently for our indicators to align. Down below, the STC line was resting completely flat in the oversold zone. The exact moment it angled up and broke out of that flat line, I checked my Vortex. Right on cue, the green line crossed sharply above the red, giving us perfect momentum confirmation. With every rule met, I immediately entered a 1-minute buy trade. Now, watch how the trade develops on these quick 15-second candles. Buyers step in exactly as the algorithm predicted. Notice the STC line below. It is climbing smoothly and aggressively toward the ceiling without any hesitation. This shows us the cycle has truly reversed, and strong bullish momentum is carrying our positions safely away from our entry. As we hit the final countdown, the price pushes into a massive green candle and closes beautifully above our entry for a clean, stress-free finish. Let's flip the script and break down a live sell setup. The market had pushed up to a high peak, but I held off until the algorithm gave the signal. Looking down at our indicators, the STC line was resting perfectly flat up in the overbought ceiling. The second it broke down and crossed below the 25 level, I immediately verified the momentum with the Vortex. The red line had crossed sharply above the green, giving us absolute confirmation. With the rules perfectly met, I locked in a 1-minute sell trade. Now, watch how aggressively the market reacts on these quick 15-second candles. The sellers step in immediately, driving the price down just as the setup predicted. If you look at the STC indicator below, it is plunging straight toward the floor without any hesitation. That smooth downward curve tells us the bearish momentum is completely dominating, pulling our position safely away from our entry point. As the timer ticks down to 0, the price closes beautifully below our entry for another clean, stress-free finish. Let's look at another live setup, and I am leaving this exact clip in the video because it is incredibly important for your trading psychology. This was an absolutely textbook sell opportunity. The market had peaked, and checking our indicators below, the STC line was resting perfectly flat right at the overbought ceiling. The exact second it broke down and angled toward the floor, I verified our momentum with the Vortex. The red line crossed sharply above the green, giving us that perfect, clear confirmation. With every single rule met to the letter, I executed a 1-minute sell trade with complete confidence. Now watch how this trade actually unfolds on these fast 15-second candles. At first, it looks like the sellers are taking control, exactly as the algorithm predicted, but trading is never 100% guaranteed, no matter how good the strategy is. Suddenly, you can see a strong, unexpected wave of buyers stepping in, creating a sudden spike that pushes the price right back up against our entry point. Even though our indicators signaled a drop, the raw market volatility in that specific minute is fighting hard against our position. As the final seconds tick away, that late bullish surge holds on, and the price closes just a fraction above our entry, giving us a losing trade. I wanted to show you this raw result because this is the absolute reality of real trading. No strategy wins every single time, even when the setup is completely flawless. The secret to long-term success is that we followed our rules strictly, we did not panic, and we kept our discipline intact. That concludes the technical breakdown of the cycle detector strategy. As demonstrated in the live market examples, this algorithm is highly effective when executed with strict discipline. Success with this setup requires waiting for precise alignment between the STC and Vortex indicators, emphasizing strict risk management and the mechanical execution of your rules over emotion. If this technical analysis was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to SAM Trading Strategies with notifications enabled for future strategy breakdowns. For a structured reference of these rules, you can download the strategy checklist PDF from my Telegram channel, linked in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next market breakdown.